Okay, so we are gonna start by adding a 2nd cup of fresh aloe vera juice. This is gonna make a really amazing base. We're gonna add 1 whole banana, 1 whole avocado, and a 1/4 cup of the fenugreek powder. And now we're gonna give this a really good blend. All right, so I just came from sitting under the steamer for 20 minutes. I still have that DIY deep conditioner in my hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair loves this deep conditioner along with the steam. Look how my hair is just clumped together beautifully. Same on this side. It's just loving life right now. See how my curls are just clumped together? Do you see these curls? Like, I cannot wait till my hair is like filled in and clumped like this. I never thought I had hair like this. I never thought this was the hair coming out of my head. And the only way I know this was by deep conditioning my hair. Okay, so as I'm standing here, it's like drying and it's like shrinking up. And that is just because my hair is getting healthier. And this year is all about a healthier hair journey. Not just a long hair journey, but a healthy hair journey. And so I just wanted to show you this DIY deep conditioner. I love it. I am going to go rinse out this deep conditioner with cold water, and it needs a thorough wash because obviously the products within that deep conditioner are all perishable, so I got to make sure I get it out. And one other thing to note is my edges. I'm like getting new growth. Look at this. Like they're coming in more and more. And then on this side, this is growing in. I love that I can do that. Bye.